Should you put your Ninja Woodfire Pro Heat tray and racks in the dishwasher? They might fit, but dishwashers are one of the quickest ways to ruin them. Here's how to clean them safely instead. Step 1. Let everything cool first. Always wait until the oven, tray, and racks are fully cooled before handling or cleaning. Trying to wash them hot risks burns and can also cause warping. Step 2. Wash by hand the right way. Skip the dishwasher. High heat and harsh detergent can damage the finish. Instead, use warm water and mild soap with a non-abrasive brush. I've linked the brush I use below. It scrubs away grease and residue without scratching the coating. Step 3. Dry completely. Before storing, moisture left on the tray or racks can corrode the surface over time. Towel dry after washing and let them air dry fully before putting them away. If this helped you protect your ProHeat tray and racks, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a non-abrasive cleaning brush, I've linked the one I use below. Safe, effective, and designed to keep cookware coatings intact. Thanks for watching, and keep your racks shining.